was asking them what they think about the bike idling like that in neutral, and they were saying, they brought up some good ideas that I never thought about. So I always immediately just viewed it as a problem, like something that's not supposed to happen because I'm not used to it. But they suggested it might be like a cylinder shut off or like a gas saving type thing, which I think could be possible considering this is a 2018, so it's pretty kind of newer, and it's got the fuel injector tuning. So I don't know if maybe that, if they're right that like it's meant to do it or what, but it's just something I never even considered. But if you didn't notice, the guy with the ZX6R left. His backpack said that she is absolutely petrified of deer to the point where she'll have like a panic attack. So they left as soon as we pulled in here, pretty much, just to kind of try to avoid them. They don't like riding at night, which is completely understandable. We literally saw one walking through that person's yard while we were sitting there talking, so they're definitely out. And it's definitely a good reason to head home. But that was nice. We just kind of parked near the lake, sat around and talked for a little bit. Did some guy stuff, you know, just sitting there talking, which I do very rarely. I'm usually just by myself. So that was fun. It's a little hard to see out of this visor right now, but it's also a little chilly, but that's fine. It's a nice night. Happy I went out. Just gotta hope that we all make it home safely and we can call this a really nice day. I really like having this wind noise blocker on the bottom of my helmet to improve the audio quality for you guys. That way, like, it sounds better because it keeps most of the wind noise out. But at the same time, I hate having it because it makes my visor, I don't know why I said it like that, visor fog up very easily because it can't just go out of the bottom, so it all goes straight onto my visor and then I can't see. So it's inconvenient, but it's helpful in terms of audio quality, so I guess it's worth it. I hope they remember on the way back that there was that state trooper where somebody pulled over. Hopefully they play it safe. I don't know where they're going. Oh, they're going into Sheetz. Well, I wasn't ready for that. I don't need gas. I got gas right before I met up. I'm trying to get home before it gets too dark too. Well, I had fun riding with them. Hopefully I get to go with them again soon. But like I keep saying, riding season's about to end, so I'm not sure how many more opportunities I'll have. But I'm glad I got to today. That's the first time I rode with anybody else since before I wrecked. And that was July. It's October, so it's been a while. I said about them remembering the cop being up here when someone pulled over. And now I'm the one in control of how fast we're going by myself. He was on the other side of the road, so obviously he'd be patrolling that direction. But typically, once they pull somebody over, they usually switch spots. Whether it's just a little bit down the road or like on the other side, they usually end up kind of switching spots a little bit. So I'm still going to try to play it a little safe. Even though I'll get like, I guess profiled would be the word, because I'm on a bike. I'm not sure if the camera can see that, but there's a good bit of smoke coming up over there. I'm really curious what that is. If it's intentional or not. hope that's showing up on camera. It's very dark smoke too. I'm pretty sure I said a little bit ago in this video that, yeah, okay, I know I did. I said that I'm not sure how many more times I'm going to go riding this year between getting busy and the temperatures dropping very quickly. Like right now I'm in jeans and a hoodie and it's pretty chilly. Temperatures are dropping fast. So I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to get to go riding, how many more videos I'm going to be able to make. So I don't really know for sure which one's going to be like the last motovlog for that year, for this riding season. I would like to make a video where I go out riding with the intention of this being the last motovlog for the season. That's my plan. I just don't know if it'll get to happen and make like a official final motovlog for the year. Just to kind of thank you guys for everything throughout the year, summarize it and stuff, and then like give it an official send-off type thing. I don't know, something lame like that. It sucks because I'm gonna miss doing this almost every day, but it's getting too cold. I forgot that car meet ended at 7, which I can see is 22 minutes ago, so there's probably a bunch of them out on the road right now. My GoPro died. Well, that's unfortunate. Well, I guess I'll end this one here then. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for liking if you did. And subscribing as well. I got to make 3 videos today again, so it's pretty fun. Hope you guys enjoyed them. Like I said, I plan on getting at least one more video in this riding season, just as like a conclusion, a finale to the riding season. So I plan to make at least one more. That'll probably be on the R6, but not 100% sure yet. So I've got that one, and I've got at least 1 or 2 planned for over the winter too, so I'll make those as well. But thank you guys for watching, for all your support and everything. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And I'll see you next time. Later.